A car fully engulfed in flames on 150th Avenue northeast of Knoxville Thursday night saw a quick response from emergency crews and is still under investigation. That's according to Marion County Sheriff's Deputy Justin Kingery. He tells KNIA KRLS News the Sheriff's Office received a report that the car had run into a fence and became fully engulfed in flames. Kingery says 2 subjects were also reported to have been in the car and had left the scene by the time crews arrived. Kingery says crews searched the immediate area and the investigation continues under the direction of Sheriff's Deputy Matt Boonder. KNIA KRLS will bring you more information as it becomes available. The one to count on for today's news and information is KNIA KRLS.